Hello guys, today I want to show you an aircraft movement. This is a very small vehicle trying to move this massive aircraft, the Boeing 767. So right now they are connecting the aircraft with the tag master using the tow bar. These are engineers, and there it is. The car is now going for connection. They want to move this aircraft a little bit forward. If you're new, consider subscribing, please. And there it is. Yes, connected successfully. So now we are going to remove the So we are now going to remove chokes so that the aircraft can move. Right now they are waiting for people who are inside the aircraft so that they can come down. We remove the step and the aircraft will be good to move forward. Right here we have a small aircraft. Right here we have a 737-800 operated by Kenya Airways. While here we have the 76 cargo operated by Astro. This is -200. So far everything is good, guys. If you are new, consider subscribing on my channel. This is just a short video. The complete review of this 767 is coming. So if you are new, consider subscribing so that you can see the video when it comes out. So right now, as you can see there, the technicians and engineers, they are pushing out the step, and everything is now good to go. The chokes have been removed, so they're just waiting to see the movement right now. If I zoom it out, this is how it looks like. Okay, here we go, man. Remember, this aircraft is too heavy, but this small tag master operated by AFS company is able to push, and now the aircraft is coming forward. Very nice. Here comes. So what is happening right now, we are doing a sea check of this big aircraft 76. The last sea check was done on 2023, so it is almost 2 years now, and that is it. So guys, this is the end of this short video. We have just moved an aircraft, just a very small portion. The next video I will show you when we'll be putting the aircraft inside this big hangar. Yeah, we'll take it, I think maybe 2 to 3 days from now. We'll take it inside. So this is the end of this video. Consider subscribing. The video is very short, 5 minutes. Consider subscribing, and the review of this video is coming. The review of the Boeing 767, and this is the engine and everything. So all explanation will be on my upcoming video. Consider subscribing, and welcome back again.